Get ready to learn how to multiply by 13. 13 times 1 equals 13. 13 times 2 equals 26. 13 times 3 equals 39. 13 times 4 equals 52. 13 times 5 equals 65. 13 times 6 equals 78. 13 times 7 equals 91. 13 times 8 equals 104. 13 times 9 equals 117. 13 times 10 equals 130. 13 times 11 equals 143. 13 times 12 equals 156. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 13 equals 13. 2 times 13 equals 26. 3 times 13 equals 39. 4 times 13 equals 52. 5 times 13 equals 65. 6 times 13 equals 78. 7 times 13 equals 91. 8 times 13 equals 104. 9 times 13 equals 117. 10 times 13 equals 130. 11 times 13 equals 143. 12 times 13 equals 156. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 14. 14 times 1 equals 14. 14 times 2 equals 28. 14 times 3 equals 42. 14 times 4 equals 56. 14 times 5 equals 70. 14 times 6 equals 84. 14 times 7 equals 98. 14 times 8 equals 112. 14 times 9 equals 126. 14 times 10 equals 140. 14 times 11 equals 154. 14 times 12 equals 168. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 14 equals 14. 2 times 14 equals 28. 3 times 14 equals 42. 4 times 14 equals 56. 5 times 14 equals 70. 6 times 14 equals 84. 7 times 14 equals 98. 8 times 14 equals 112. 9 times 14 equals 126. 10 times 14 equals 140. 11 times 14 equals 154. 12 times 14 equals 168. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 15. 15 times 1 equals 15. 15 times 2 equals 30. 15 times 3 equals 45. 15 times 4 equals 60. 15 times 5 equals 75. 15 times 6 equals 90. 15 times 7 equals 105. 15 times 8 equals 120. 15 times 9 equals 135. 15 times 10 equals 150. 15 times 11 equals 165. 15 times 12 equals 180. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 15 equals 15. 2 times 15 equals 30. 3 times 15 equals 45. 4 times 15 equals 60. 5 times 15 equals 75. 6 times 15 equals 90. 7 times 15 equals 105. 8 times 15 equals 120. 9 times 15 equals 135. 10 times 15 equals 150. 11 times 15 equals 165. 12 times 15 equals 180. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 16. 16 times 1 equals 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. 16 times 3 equals 48. 16 times 4 equals 64. 16 times 5 equals 80. 16 times 6 equals 96. 16 times 7 equals 112. 16 times 8 equals 128. 16 times 9 equals 144. 16 times 10 equals 160. 16 times 11 equals 176. 16 times 12 equals 192. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 16 equals 16. 2 times 16 equals 32. 3 times 16 equals 48. 4 times 16 equals 64. 5 times 16 equals 80. 6 times 16 equals 96. 7 times 16 equals 112. 8 times 16 equals 128. 9 times 16 equals 144. 10 times 16 equals 160. 11 times 16 equals 176. 12 times 16 equals 192. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 17. 17 times 1 equals 17. 17 times 2 equals 34. 17 times 3 equals 51. 17 times 4 equals 68. 17 times 5 equals 85. 17 times 6 equals 102. 17 times 7 equals 119. 17 times 8 equals 136. 17 times 9 equals 153. 17 times 10 equals 170. 17 times 11 equals 187. 17 times 12 equals 204. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 17 equals 17. 2 times 17 equals 34. 3 times 17 equals 51. 4 times 17 equals 68. 5 times 17 equals 85. 6 times 17 equals 102. 7 times 17 equals 119. 8 times 17 equals 136. 9 times 17 equals 153. 10 times 17 equals 170. 11 times 17 equals 187. 12 times 17 equals 204. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 18. 18 times 1 equals 18. 18 times 2 equals 36. 18 times 3 equals 54. 18 times 4 equals 72. 18 times 5 equals 90. 18 times 6 equals 108. 18 times 7 equals 126. 18 times 8 equals 144. 18 times 9 equals 162. 18 times 10 equals 180. 18 times 11 equals 198. 18 times 12 equals 216. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 18 equals 18. 2 times 18 equals 36. 3 times 18 equals 54. 4 times 18 equals 72. 5 times 18 equals 90. 6 times 18 equals 108. 7 times 18 equals 126. 8 times 18 equals 144. 9 times 18 equals 162. 10 times 18 equals 180. 11 times 18 equals 198. 12 times 18 equals 216. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 19. 19 times 1 equals 19. 19 times 2 equals 38. 19 times 3 equals 57. 19 times 4 equals 76. 19 times 5 equals 95. 19 times 6 equals 114. 19 times 7 equals 133. 19 times 8 equals 152. 19 times 9 equals 171. 19 times 10 equals 190. 19 times 11 equals 209. 19 times 12 equals 228. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 19 equals 19. 2 times 19 equals 38. 3 times 19 equals 57. 4 times 19 equals 76. 5 times 19 equals 95. 6 times 19 equals 114. 7 times 19 equals 133. 8 times 19 equals 152. 9 times 19 equals 171. 10 times 19 equals 190. 11 times 19 equals 209. 12 times 19 equals 228. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 20. 20 times 1 equals 20. 20 times 2 equals 40. 20 times 3 equals 60. 20 times 4 equals 80. 20 times 5 equals 100. 20 times 6 equals 120. 20 times 7 equals 140. 20 times 8 equals 160. 20 times 9 equals 180. 20 times 10 equals 200. 20 times 11 equals 220. 20 times 12 equals 240. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 20 equals 20. 2 times 20 equals 40. 3 times 20 equals 60. 4 times 20 equals 80. 5 times 20 equals 100. 6 times 20 equals 120. 7 times 20 equals 140. 8 times 20 equals 160. 9 times 20 equals 180. 10 times 20 equals 200. 11 times 20 equals 220. 12 times 20 equals 240. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 21. 21 times 1 equals 21. 21 times 2 equals 42. 21 times 3 equals 63. 21 times 4 equals 84. 21 times 5 equals 105. 21 times 6 equals 126. 21 times 7 equals 147. 21 times 8 equals 168. 21 times 9 equals 189. 21 times 10 equals 210. 21 times 11 equals 231. 21 times 12 equals 252. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 21 equals 21. 2 times 21 equals 42. 3 times 21 equals 63. 4 times 21 equals 84. 5 times 21 equals 105. 6 times 21 equals 126. 7 times 21 equals 147. 8 times 21 equals 168. 9 times 21 equals 189. 10 times 21 equals 210. 11 times 21 equals 231. 12 times 21 equals 252. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 22. 22 times 1 equals 22. 22 times 2 equals 44. 22 times 3 equals 66. 22 times 4 equals 88. 22 times 5 equals 110. 22 times 6 equals 132. 22 times 7 equals 154. 22 times 8 equals 176. 22 times 9 equals 198. 22 times 10 equals 220. 22 times 11 equals 242. 22 times 12 equals 264. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 22 equals 22. 2 times 22 equals 44. 3 times 22 equals 66. 4 times 22 equals 88. 5 times 22 equals 110. 6 times 22 equals 132. 7 times 22 equals 154. 8 times 22 equals 176. 9 times 22 equals 198. 10 times 22 equals 220. 11 times 22 equals 242. 12 times 22 equals 264. Get ready to learn how to multiply by 23. 23 times 1 equals 23. 23 times 2 equals 46. 23 times 3 equals 69. 23 times 4 equals 92. 23 times 5 equals 115. 23 times 6 equals 138. 23 times 7 equals 161. 23 times 8 equals 184. 23 times 9 equals 207. 23 times 10 equals 230. 23 times 11 equals 253. 23 times 12 equals 276. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 23 equals 23. 2 times 23 equals 46. 3 times 23 equals 69. 4 times 23 equals 92. 5 times 23 equals 115. 6 times 23 equals 138. 7 times 23 equals 161. 8 times 23 equals 184. 9 times 23 equals 207. 10 times 23 equals 230. 11 times 23 equals 253. 12 times 23 equals 276. Get ready to multiply by 24. 24 times 1 equals 24. 24 times 2 equals 48. 24 times 3 equals 72. 24 times 4 equals 96. 24 times 5 equals 120. 24 times 6 equals 144. 24 times 7 equals 168. 24 times 8 equals 192. 24 times 9 equals 216. 24 times 10 equals 240. 24 times 11 equals 264. 24 times 12 equals 288. Okay, let's turn the numbers around and do it again. 1 times 24 equals 24. 2 times 24 equals 48. 3 times 24 equals 72. 4 times 24 equals 96. 5 times 24 equals 120. 6 times 24 equals 144. 7 times 24 equals 168. 11 times 24 equals 264. 12 times 24 equals 280.